A sneeze blasts a turbulent jet of air and countless microscopic droplets that shoots forward with surprising speed, often beyond what people expect in daily life. The exact velocity depends on throat muscles, prior inhalation, and ambient humidity, while the jet's shape is sculpted by nearby air currents. Surface tension and rapid evaporation reduce droplet size, so light mist lingers and paths bend under room airflow. Larger droplets may fall quickly, but many become aerosols that ride on drafts, reaching farther than ordinary coughs. This unseen physics underlines why good ventilation and masks dramatically cut transmission risks in crowded spaces.